In this video, we will use a simple design to go through the basic FPGA compilation. The design is a 25-bit counter that divides a 50 MHz input clock to around 1.5 Hz. We then use this 1.5 Hz output to drive an LED. The FPGA we use is a Cyclone 10 LP device, and the IOs are powered by a 3.3 volt supply. The tool used in this video is Quartus Prime Lite Edition 20.1.0. To create a new project, click File, then New Project Wizard. Click Next on Introduction. Enter working directory, project name, and accept default top-level module name. Click Yes to create new directory. Click Next to accept empty project type. Skip adding files for now. Select the FPGA device. Click Next when done. Click Next to skip EDA tool settings. After reviewing summary, click Finish. When the tool returns with top-level module under hierarchy, the project creation is completed. Next we will copy over two files and add them to our project. The first file is the Verilog file, which contains the verified design. The second file is the SDC timing constraint file. In this example, the SDC file contains a description of the system 50 MHz clock, and clock uncertainty specification. To add these files to the project, change the Project Navigator view to Files. Right-click to add new files. Navigate to the directory to select the two files, with Control key and mouse clicks. Click Open. Then the two files are added to the project. Click OK to close the window. Before we start compiling the design, we will specify the I/O voltage and FPGA pin locations used in our design. Click Device under Assignments. Then Device and Pin Options. Change the default I/O voltage from 2.5 volts to 3.3 volts. Click OK twice to close device window. To specify FPGA pin locations, click Pin Planner under Assignments. Fill in signals clock _50 and LED to pin 22 and pin 125 respectively. I/O standard is 3.3 volts as previously set. Other entries we will use default values. Click File, Close to close the window. To start FPGA compilation, click the Start Compilation button. The compilation status will show up in the left tasks window, as well as the messages window at the bottom. The compilation is finished with 0 errors and some warnings. Click on Show Warning Messages button to see warnings only. As these are not critical warnings, we will skip them for now. To download the compiled design, first have the FPGA board connected to the programmer. Select Program Device under Tasks window. The SOF file is the design file to download. Click Start to download. Once the Progress tab shows 100%, the download is complete. And the LED is now blinking.